Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is C programming lecture number 6, exercise number 1, and this exercise talk about how to use switch statement as an equivalent statement to if to solve this problem. Write C program to input letter marks of n subjects. That means we have to ask user how many subjects there are. Then find and print the percentage grade range for each one. As example, if the grade is A, the range is more than or equal to 90. If it's B, 80 but less than 90, and so on. So we want to declare integer variable which is n, and we want to print a message for the user saying please enter number of subjects, which is n, and then go to next line outside in the line, and we want to scan this integer which is percentage d outside, give it to n. Now we know how many subjects there are. Then we want to use switch on the grade, so we want to ask user to enter the grade. So let me declare the variable which is a float, character variable, because we want to enter the grade as a character. So grade, character grade, and now we want to ask user for the first grade. As example, we want to print message and scan, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We want to print please enter grade, say number, and there's a space for integer to say grade number 1, grade number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, and like this. From where we'll get this number? From a counter. Say that I should be declared as integer to count from 1 to n. So I could be start from 1. Please enter grade, and then we will scan the grade as a character, because we are scanning a character after something else. Better to write one space before the character, and then give the grade to grade. Now we know the grade, we know number of subjects, and now we will check using switch statement. Switch on the grade value, on the grade variable value. This is the start of the switch, this is the end of the switch. Inside the switch we have the case, the grade value equal to a as a character, not variable. So don't write a capital like this. It should be between single quotations, then double dot. Now if this is true, we want just to print message, the percentage grade, or we can say that exactly percentage grade, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, like this, percentage greater than 90. To print a percentage here, we have to write double percentage, and then go to next line, like this, double quotation, semicolon, then followed by break, because I don't want to go to next one if this is true. Then again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and here should be B capital. If the grade is B capital, percentage should be greater than or equal to 80, and at the same time, and we can say that less than 90%, like this. And we can copy the same, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but this time if the grade is C, it should be greater than or equal 70 but less than 80. And next case, in case that the value equal to or equal to D, D, this should be 60, and surely less than 70. After D we have E, Control V, we have E. We have E percentage, it is less than or equal to 70, greater than or equal to 40, but surely greater than 60, less than 60. Okay, it will be E. And also we have the B. Last one is F, sorry. If it's F, percentage should be less than 40, like this. If it is not A, not B, not C, not D, not E, not F, that means wrong input. So we have the default case here. Better to write default case double dot without a value. We want to print and break. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We can print wrong, great. Try again. Then end. Now save it. As you see, switch on the grade value. Grade already we have it. If it's A capital, print this one. B capital, print this one, and so on. If not A, not B, not C, not D, not E, not F, that means wrong. Okay? But my program, this program, until now, it will run once. I will modify it to run more than one. So run the program. We have a mistake here. Syntax error here. What is syntax error? No exception. The error, it's no expression. There's expression, but oh, okay. The variable name is wrong. Great. Okay, save it. Run again. Okay, enter number of subjects. Number of subjects. Say that there are 3. Please enter grade number 1. Say A, percentage more than 90. As you see, it should be 3 subjects, but unfortunately it runs once only because we don't have a loop to run again. So how we can fix this one? Again, we want to copy all of these each time. So from here to here, let me cut and write while. As I told you, we have a counter. The counter name is I, and we want to run from 1 to n. So we can write while I less than or equal to n. If this is true, do the following. Now we will paste the previous code, but let me align them correctly by making tab. This is for the switch. This is inside. This is inside. This is inside. This is this is inside. This belongs to the switch. We have a space here, remove it. This is belong to while. Okay, good. Now all of these should be repeated again and again and again. Run the program again now and check what will happen. This is 3 subjects. The grade number 1, it's A. Please enter grade again number 1. This is another mistake. Say B. Okay, and this is the last one. Say C. Okay, and still working. Why? Because we forgot to update the value of I. So let me stop the program and go back to find where is the updating of I. It should be inside the while loop. After finishing the first one here, we can write here I equal I plus 1 or I plus plus semicolon, and it should be like this. Okay, run the program now and check what will happen. This is 3 subjects. Subject number 1, this is A. Now subject number 2, say this is B. Subject number 3, say this is C. End. Thank you so much.